Korean doctor says those who haven't contracted COVID-19 have no friends. That's a real statement. Well, I know you're laughing right now.
I'm not laughing. I was just like, it's kind of ridiculous, no?
So this is a post on Reddit, and it says, the caption is, "As an introvert, I feel murdered."
Right.
Because he went straight for the jugular, straight for the soft spot with his comments. It was a post he put on social media. I believe it was on Facebook. I can't remember. It was on social media. And he was basically trying to imply that COVID is so rampant right now that if you've had any contact with anyone, then you're getting it. And the only way you haven't gotten it is because you have no friends or no social life. Do you feel attacked, Will? You feel attacked, don't you?
Yeah. I don't know. I don't know how I feel about that.
Well, anyway, maybe just type in that headline because there's an article about it on Insider, but I didn't want you to miss the...
By Rebecca Moon, too.
I didn't... Double moon.
Yeah.
That's a double moon right there. I didn't want you to miss out on that wonderful caption, the introvert portion of the caption.
What would it be?
Korean doctor. There you go.
This one?
The comment by South Korean doctor Ma Sang-yuk was made on a day when the country recorded more than 4 lock cases in a day. You found an Indian news source.
Oh, good.
Just do the Insider one.
Independent?
Yeah, that'll do. Do that one. Shout out Jameson, by the way. He deleted the comments after the backlash. People said, "How dare you? I haven't had COVID yet, and I have tons of friends. So how dare you attack me in such a way?" But I guess it was offensive enough that he felt the need to take it down.
Oh.
The adults who have not yet been infected, this is the exact quote, and it was on Facebook. That's all we need.
Okay.
Because he didn't necessarily say it exactly that, like the quote there. The adults who have not yet been infected with COVID-19 are those who have interpersonal problems. I don't know if that's better or worse.
Those for the jugular.
I don't know if that's better or worse. He is the vice president of the Korean Vaccine Society. Yeah.
Is there data that backs this? I guess so, right?
Well, the numbers are just nutty right now. I don't know if you've been following at all. They're just like hundreds of thousands of people every day. Like it's everybody.
Yeah.
And I know anecdotally, even just like us in around here, we're getting messages and so yeah. I mean, it might not be the nicest way of saying something, but it kind of seems inevitable. You know, I put a poll on Twitter. I said, have you had COVID-19 at this point? And then instead of putting yes and no as the options in the poll, I put probably and probably not. And the reason for that is because it's hard to know, right? Like you're not testing all the time. You had asymptomatic stuff going on. The people who have had it for sure know they've had it. But there's a lot of people who think, yeah, I've probably had it at some point because of exposure or whatever else. But it was an exact 50-50 representation in my Twitter poll. And I think it had I think there were a few people that partook in that poll.
Yeah.
Can you imagine it landed right on a coin flip? So, anyway.